Hey everyone, it's P here and I'm back with another YouTube video. Today we are going to be reviewing a pair of sheer gloss nylons and I'm going to be pairing them with a very nice pair of black stiletto high heels. Both of these items have kindly been gifted to me by one of my new YouTube subscribers, so thank you so much for these items. I really do appreciate them and I'm very much looking forward to trying them on. These ones have got a seam down the back, a black seam down the back, which I've never owned before. I've owned lots of glossy tights before. I used to live in them all the time to make my legs look nice and tanned, but I've never had a pair with a seam down the back, so I'm looking forward to trying these on, and I'm very much looking forward to trying these new pair of heels on. So here are the items, here are the tights or nylons. I should really get into a habit of calling them nylons. I understand that nylon sounds a lot nicer than tights. It's just tights is a very like UK term to say, and I've even noticed on here it does say sheer gloss tights, but then it says nylons at the top, and I feel like I should get into the habit of just using the word nylons because nylons does sound a lot nicer than tights. Yeah, so these are 10 Denier gloss backseam tights by Pretty Polly. So hopefully these are going to be nice and glossy, nude colour as well. And then these are the heels that I have been gifted. They're by Simi London. I'll just show them off to you. They are patent black, so they're very shining and they're very high, and the heel on them is very skinny as well. And they've got quite a square front to them as well. So they're the heels that I'm going to be trying on. They've got a nice strap that goes around the ankle as well, which is really good for me because I've got quite narrow feet. So it's always really good to have the strap around the ankle to make sure that they don't fall off my feet. So that's one of the shoes. I haven't tried the other one on yet. I wanted to do the whole outfit try on with you guys. And that's the other shoe, still in the original packaging. So that's the heels. And now I will show you the nylons as well. I will just take them out of the packet and I will show you what they look like and give my first impressions of them. I think out of all the nylons I've reviewed so far, these are probably going to be the best pair because these are by Pretty Polly, and Pretty Polly normally are really good. Not like my Shein order. Let's just... Oh, get it out the packaging. Here they are. Here are the nylons. As you can see, the black seam going down the back of them. So you've got that nice seam going all the way down the back of the nylons. They've got a nice waistband at the top. Let's hope they're going to be nice and glossy and they're going to look good. Just love the seam that goes down the back. So I am going to go and pop a different outfit on for you, so I can showcase these pair of nylons with these super sexy, sassy, maybe seductive, cheeky little pair of black heels. And here are the tights on. They fit perfectly. They feel nice and silky and glossy. As you can see, they've got the nice seam that's running all the way down the back. And this is the outfit I've decided to wear. I've just decided to put this a little black dress on with a nice ruched effect down the back. And on the front as well, and down the sides, it's quite ruched. So as you can see, the nylons are very nude colour. They pretty much like match the colour of my legs. They don't make them look too tanned or anything. They do make them look quite natural. They don't have like a reinforced toe in the front, but they do have sort of like a reinforced sole instead, which is different. I haven't really seen that on nylons before. Normally you get it around the toes or the heel, but I guess with this having the seam down the back, they've designed it slightly different, but it will be very good when I am wearing heels or trainers. Not that I would probably wear trainers with this style of nylon, but it's good just to have that sort of extra reinforcement there. So now I'm just going to finish the outfit off by popping the heels on. I'm going to show you what they look like with this outfit. I'll let you know if they are comfy or not, and I will let you have my opinion on the whole outfit overall. Just slide my foot in there. The only downside at the moment is I do have a little blister on my little toe, and I know that it's going to rub like hell. That is one heel on. And pop the other one on. I was a little bit worried what these nylons were going to look like with these heels. Just with the reinforced sort of heel and sole at the back, I wasn't sure how visible that was going to be, but it's not too obvious, so it's quite good. So there they are on. I'll just stand up for you. And here's a little close-up for you. I would say that these heels are probably about 5 inches high. And yeah, they are proper stilettos. They've got a very thin heel on them. You can see the reinforced heel there at the back, which I don't think is super obvious in these heels, which is quite nice. So I do feel like I could wear these nylons with these heels. Okay, so guys, now I'm just going to do a little catwalk for you to show me walking in the heels to see how comfy they are. It's going to be a little bit difficult because I have got a blister on my little pinky toe, but I'm just going to show you what they look like when I'm walking in them. They're a little bit slidey, I would say. I don't know if that's just because I've got tights on with them, or if it's just because they're a patent pair of shoes. I think if I didn't have this blister on my little toe, they would be comfy. But as you see when I turn around, they're a little bit slidey. Wow, what a pair of heels these are. They are very high. They're quite easy to walk in though, so I am quite happy with them. I would rate them quite high. They are quite good. The only thing is they do slide around my feet a lot, and I don't know if that's just because I have got the nylons on or if it's just because I've got narrow feet in general. But I do love how slim the heel is. They're like a proper pair of stilettos, so I am very happy with them. They are comfy to wear minus the little blister that I've got. So I don't think I'd give these a 10, maybe like an 8 out of 10 I would give them. I think if I was to wear these without nylons, then maybe the rating would be a little bit higher. But they do look good and they go very well with this outfit. And it's different how they're kind of squared off at the front as well. They're slightly different to the other pairs of heels that I have. In regards to the tights, these probably will be getting a solid 10 out of 10. They're very comfy. They make my legs look very natural. They don't look too tanned. They just look like I've got nude legs. But then you've got this kind of cute little seam at the back, which just adds that little bit of detail to the outfit and makes it look a little bit different. So I'm quite happy with that. And the reinforced heel and sole as well is an added bonus for when you're wearing heels and any kind of shoes really, even if you had like ballet pumps on with them. But anyways, let me know what you think to the nylons. Let me know what you think to the heels, and let me know what you think to the outfit overall. I'd love to know your thoughts on them. If you think I've paired the outfit well, what would you change? Yeah, give me your thoughts in the comments below. I will really appreciate it. And thank you once again to my subscriber who has gifted me these items. I really do appreciate it. It's been really fun making this video and trying on these new outfit ideas. So thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed it. And for everyone else, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and show me that support. I will really appreciate it. And I will hopefully see you in the next video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all soon.